Hello, this is Willed and Well Armed, talking today about making bread and grinding wheat. And we've been buying these barrels of wheat in white, red, and rye for about 5 years now. I pick them up. That's really my only job. My wife mills it with this Wondra mill. Makes a little mess everywhere, but it's great flour. It's actually fresh flour. It's much better than old flour. We have these Bosch mixers, and they really work well. This is what a traditional loaf of bread from the Czech Republic looks like. These are French loaves. You can make sandwich with them. We've got 3 kids, so we're making lots of sandwiches all the time. They just smell so good in the house. This is a Christmas bread, or the same type of bread would be made for Easter. This is another traditional Czech bread. This is kind of a hard crust on the outside, and really makes a good sandwich, an open face sandwich. Just love them. Kids love it, so really good for you. This is a sweet bread, kind of a cake. You'd have that for a morning. Great way to start the day. This is Bulgarian bread. I had some Bulgarian twins that taught me the recipe, and my wife took it over. This is a loaf of bread that was a little bit short. Sometimes they don't rise, and sometimes they do. We had a Valentine's Day pizza tradition, and so we do this every year, or she does. These are some little rolls. These would be for like a submarine sandwich or something. And then this is a new type of bread she started making with different types of more like a sandwich bread, traditional here. These are some gingerbread houses that she made for the kids to decorate. And these are the little Rohlíkys. You can use them for sandwiches or hot dogs or anything. This is a traditional New Year's Eve spread. So lots of little sandwiches on fresh bread. This is Will and Well Armed. Have a great day and be prepared.